You set the pace, I'll follow your lead. I'll be right here, put your mind at ease. As long as you know the steps that